Let's talk about good blenders. This one is massive, 5.2 liter size, 5200 watt, 100% guaranteed. The motor is huge, and so this can make a lot of noise, but the sound insulation really helps it. So let's do a test. Yes, so you can blend without waking the whole house. So you can see the calibrated cap, 5.2 liter size, very huge. Analog controls for easy and fast settings. So here is a blender with a huge cap and a huge motor that should ideally make a lot of noise, but it doesn't because of the sound insulation feature.